All right, this is Jay Lime the Coconut. See that corner? This is before we even started cutting into the wood. It was just right after I had wet it down. It wasn't even oiled yet. So here's the process that we went through. And I'm going to speak during some of this, but let... All right, guys, what I'm doing is cutting these two pieces out, getting this corner going so that we can replace it with a piece of wood, a teak like that, from my friend here at the marina. So I'll keep you posted. All right, this is Jay Lime the Coconut. I don't know if you remember this. I showed it to you the other day. We're taking that piece out. We've got this one epoxied in right now. Let me get the shadow out of there. We got this one epoxied in, and then what's going to be. So we'll have two pieces basically like that on both sides. So we're going to replace that side and this side. And this looks gorgeous. I put a bung in there because we had a nail hole and it had a rusty nail in it. So we pulled that out. And there's my shitty cooler. And we've got this side started, which is great. Basically, it's going to get sanded down next. Wait for the oops on this next video. Whoa! Oh! Well, we got some rounding off to do now. Shit happens. Alright, this is Jay on the Lemon Coconut. We have gotten this stuff finished up. Corner piece. I had to stop it because the wind was there, but man, this is gorgeous. Both sides are so gorgeous. I'm so happy with this. This is beautiful, and that's the real oil. It's still there. That'll come next. And this side is completely done too. So, what? Oh gosh, I hope that's showing up. That's a beautiful piece right there. That is good too. But I am so pleased with this. Dan, thank you so much for your help. Thank you, Dan. Get another 4 or 5 coats on that thing. And guys, if you're wondering this table, it's the very last project, so I can sit on it when all the woodwork's done, and I know that it's done. So I'm saving the table and chairs for last. So it's Jay, Lime and the Coconut.